Hi guys, this is going to be a video about arguments within scripting, not me arguing and telling you what arguing is. That would just be stupid. So what's an argument? An argument is called each time you call a script. So basically we don't have to make a new script each time we want to change something. We can use the same script and just change what's in the script call and use the script as a template. So let's have a look in the script.sqf. Here we have one variable which is yet to be defined because this will be defined by what we type in the square brackets. So variable equals this select 0. Select 0 simply means the first argument we place. Select 1 will be the second argument. Select 2 will be the third, and so on. So at the moment this script won't do anything, it will just say player sidechat in the corner null. So what we need to do is fill this, put some text inside this variable. But instead of doing it in the script, we will do it in the editor. So let's do that. Now if we make a trigger, we're going to use a alpha radio. In the on act, I'm going to type null equals square bracket, and inside this square bracket is where we place our arguments. And we want to place some text in here. So as usual with texts, we want to use speech marks. So speech mark alpha radio used, close speech mark, and then execVM script.sqf in speech marks as well. Click OK. Let's preview this, and you'll see when we call a thing, it will use our argument. Now this is of course a very basic use of arguments. This is just to show you how arguments work. So to further show you, let's make another trigger, but this time it will use a radio bravo. And all we're going to do is change the data that's in the script to, so it will say bravo radio used. And you can see we haven't changed the script at all. This allows us to use multiple instances of the same script with different results, as you can see. We can add more arguments very simply by adding another variable. Go call this variable 2. You want to start a second word in a variable with the capital letter to make it easier to read. And this select 1, aka the second argument. And then what do we want to do with the second argument? Let's show you a command. So this is going to be a very simple command. It's the call to Waituntil command. So we type Waituntil for the ugly bracket variable 2. So wait until the variable is true, because by default a variable is not true, and if that's true then we will make a hint, a very simple hint saying second argument passed. Okay, so let's save that and let's add our second argument. All we want to do is comma and go type true. No speech marks because this is a command and not a text. And in the second instance of a script we're going to type false. So you'll see when we call a bravo script, because it's false, we will not get a hint because the variable is set as false. If we call the alpha hint, we will get second argument as passed. So this is a light look at commands that can be used and how it's used within scripting and arguments. So far we've learnt variables, a command, the Waituntil command, and arguments. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.